What if your phone wasn't just your phone, but your full-blown computer? Google, in partnership with Qualcomm, is launching Android PCs. And this time, it's not a Chromebook. We're talking about scaling up Android, the world's most used mobile OS, into powerful laptops. Why does this matter? Because it's not about learning a new system. It's about extending the one you already use every day. Microsoft failed trying to shrink Windows down. The app gap was brutal. The UI? A nightmare on desktop. But Google's flipping the playbook. With billions already on Android and a rich app store, the transition feels natural. Still, there's one risk. Google's marketing history is, well, messy. If they can't tell a clear story, why buy this over a $700 Windows laptop or a cheaper Chromebook? But the future? It might not be a PC at all. Your phone becomes the brain. Everything else is just a screen. Samsung's tested this with DeX. But Google could take it mainstream with full OS support. Apple's separate OS strategy could start to look clunky. And Microsoft? It needs to double down on its strengths. Pro software, enterprise power, and Windows on ARM. Android PCs could reshape computing, not just as devices, but as an entirely new category. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.